Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with yet another tune-up report from my good friend Matt out around Missouri on this Ranger RCI X9. Matt, got you ready to go. This thing's going to be a beast. Now you'll get full output if you'll run this straight to the battery. Most trucks you can still run off the factory wiring taps, but highly recommend running straight to the battery. Got the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade tune alignment here. Start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Get you set about 8 all the way down. We'll roll it all the way up. I understand you won't be running amp with this. 30 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. 70 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, about 165 watts on this joker. Matt, this thing's on a rock and roll for you. I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.